Wall switches and outlets are incredibly important. They are used every day. Yet, nobody tells you how to correctly choose the right ones for your home. Today, I will explain it all to you clearly in a video, covering 10 essential tips. Please remember them well. 1. Always choose those made of flame-retardant PC material for their high temperature resistance and self-extinguishing properties, ensuring safe usage. 2. Opt for outlets with safety shutters to prevent children from inserting their fingers and risking electric shock. They also guard against dust entry that can cause short circuits. 3. Internally, choose ones made of tin phosphor bronze because they conduct electricity well, generate less heat, are highly flexible, and durable against repeated plugging and unplugging. 4. Choose matte materials for the panel, avoiding shiny ones, as matte surfaces don't show fingerprints and offer a more textured feel. 5. For home use, it's best to select larger panels rather than small, framed ones, as they have a higher aesthetic value. 6. Choose outlets with slanted sockets so that plugs don't interfere with one another. 7. In the kitchen, opt for those with independent switches for convenience in cutting power, avoiding the danger of unplugging appliances with wet hands while cooking. 8. For bathroom outlets, consider those with splash-proof boxes to prevent hazards caused by moisture, condensation, and electrical short circuits. 9. For refrigerator outlets, pick the embedded type. Traditional outlets protrude, preventing home appliances from being placed flush against the wall, which is not space-efficient or visually appealing. An embedded outlet allows items like refrigerators or sofas to be placed against the wall, which is very convenient. 10. Try to choose products from well-known domestic brands. They offer good quality at very reasonable prices.